She rises from the depths, a silent queen of the flooded forest.
Patience is her weapon, and stillness her greatest strength.
The jungle holds its breath as predator and prey become one in a silent struggle.
In the dark waters of the Amazon, only the strong survive.
Her power erupts without warning, swift, precise, unstoppable.
She moves through her kingdom unseen, the silent spirit of the forest.
Every motion is calculated. Every strike. Perfection.
Beneath the surface, she is a shadow of ancient power.
The jungle offers no mercy, only balance.
Under the silver light of the moon, the hunter never sleeps.
New life begins where the river breathes. Fragile, yet eternal.
In her stillness lies power, the quiet dominance of the wild.
When two legends meet, the jungle decides who remains.
She is the breath of the Amazon, silent, eternal, and alive.